Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video I got a big list of super secret hidden Walmart clearance deals. Now we are very tool heavy for the list, but not exclusively tools. We got a sprinkling of other things you may be interested in. All the deals in this video are your mileage may vary. So if you haven't seen one of these videos before, your mileage may vary means that you cannot purchase the item online. You can only purchase it in store. And it is subject to a store near you having it in stock and offering it at that price. Now the nice thing about Walmart is if you have the Walmart app, you open your app, you hit the search button, there's a little icon that looks like a barcode. You scan the barcodes that I'm providing for each one, and then you can select in store. You put in a zip code, select any store you want, and that'll tell you if that store has it in stock and what price that store has. Now, this is a scavenger hunt. Not everyone's going to be able to find every deal. Some are very difficult to find. Some are a little easier to find. Scavenger hunt. The whole reason the prices get to where they are is because either people didn't want the item, couldn't find the item, something like that. Which reminds me, when you go to the store to look for these things, look in the spot that it's supposed to be. Look around. Look up at the top. Overstock. Anything that's on the top shelf. If it's not there, look in the clearance. Usually individual departments have their own clearance section. Then there's usually a big clearance section where they just kind of throw stuff and it looks like a trash heap. You got to check there. If none of those work, check the garden center. A month or two ago, I bought a bunch of cordless combo kits, and there was tons of clearance in the garden center, okay? If that doesn't work, you got to ask an employee because it could still be in back. Now, your problem at this point is 75% of Walmart employees are lazy bastards. So you are at the whim of getting a Walmart employee that doesn't suck. You may have to ask more than one employee because the first one's going to scan the barcode or something. They're going to say, oh, it says limited stock. That means we don't have it. That's crap. That doesn't mean that at all. Or they're just going to say, no, if it's not on the shelf out here, we just don't have it. Nope, this would be the only place in the whole store it could possibly be. And as soon as they say that, you just say thank you, and you walk to another employee and find someone else because that person's too lazy to help you. Okay, now, everything's going to be listed or linked down below. These are all posted on my forum. And that's where we like the Your Mileage May Vary deals because they're a little bit different than the normal deals we post. First up, we have the Hart 20-volt cordless tool 2-gallon wet dry vac. It is the tool only. You do not get the battery or the charger. Originally, this sold for $100, and they have it marked all the way down to $25. Now, a lot of stores have these in stock, and they are all at the same price, so it should be a fairly easy find for somebody who wants one. Just keep in mind, if you're not already in Hart's system, it does not come with the battery and charger. You're going to have to find that separately. Or buy yourself a clearanced kit so you get the battery and charger. Next up, we have another Hart deal. This is the Hart 20-volt cordless LED work light. Originally $39. It is now down to $11. And again, a lot of stores have these in stock, and they are all in the same price also. By the way, over the last month, we've done a bunch of Walmart videos that were in store showing you different Hart items that were rollbacks and really cheap. So if you haven't seen those, be sure to check them out because all of those prices are still good. They may be harder to find now, but they're still good. So be sure to check those videos out because if you want the Hart stuff, there's a lot of Hart hand tools, cordless tools. We did a lot. Now we have a Campbell Hausfeld CH 1/4-inch air die grinder. It's only $5. Now this started at $33. Several stores have these in stock. Now I live in Northern Illinois, so when I am checking the Northern Illinois area. When I say there's several stores, there are several stores in Northern Illinois. That could mean not a single store in California has it in stock, or it could mean every single store in New York has it in stock. Okay, but I'm checking Illinois, Northern Illinois. So several stores in my area have these in stock. Most of them were priced between $9 and $11, which is still really good. It's over 50% off, but the cheapest I was able to find in stock was $5. Again, you can scan any of the barcodes with the Walmart app, with the Walmart app to see what the prices are near you. Another CH dual action sander. This is the 6-inch, $10, originally $60. Now this one is hard to find. I almost didn't want to post it because there's not many stores that I could find that had it in stock, but it's a really, really good deal if you can find it, so it's worth the scan on your phone. If it says it's in stock, hey, at least at that point you got a 50-50 chance. You may be able to find it as low as $10. The highest I saw was $20. Again, even at that point, you're like 2/3 off, 66% off. So a really good deal. Next up, we have a Hyper Tough Impact Wrench 1/2-inch drive composite, $15, originally $60. Now, a lot of the Hyper Tough stuff has been and is on its way out as they make room for more and more Hart tools. I'm kind of surprised how much Hyper Tough stuff is still left. Maybe they're going to keep the lower grade model stuff just, as the bottom tier, but a lot of stores show this item being in stock, but the prices can be as high as $34. So if you're lucky, your goal is to find it in stock for $15, but you're going to see a lot of stores with a range between $15 and $34. Next up is an 18-piece Air Tool Air Compressor Accessory Kit. Comes down all the way to $3.60. Started out near $15 for the set. So you're getting the blowgun, the inflator, the gauge, the different fittings. This one is kind of hard to find, and the prices can vary quite a bit. So $3.60 was the lowest I saw in stock. I saw some as high as $9 and about 20 different prices in between there. It's really goofy sometimes. I have no idea how you figure out Walmart clearance prices, but there it is. Another CH 3/8-inch Air Ratchet for only $5. This thing started out at $47. If you're big into the air tools, something you would want. Personally, I never want to use one of these again. I own one. I never want to use it again. The cordless version, although maybe not as strong torque-wise, is so much more convenient than having an air hose hang off the end of this thing. I guess the only downside is how much more expensive they are. But for $5, it really wouldn't hurt to at least own one and throw it in the toolbox in case you have to use it. Maybe the battery goes dead on your cordless or you don't have a cordless one. A lot of stores have this item in stock, but the prices are all over the place. Again, the cheapest I could find in stock was $5. Prices go as high as $20, which is still good, but personally for me, I would buy it at $5. I would not buy it at $20. But that's just based on how much I would use it. Here we have a Go Power Plus 45,000 milliamp hour emergency power station. Originally was $85, down to $45 now. Now, if you've never seen one of these things before, it's essentially a big battery in there, and you can plug in something to an outlet. You have the USB ports. A lot of times, I don't know this one specifically, there's a little plug where you could plug like a solar panel kit into it, and then you charge it with a solar panel. Otherwise, you charge it with a wall plug. Really nice for emergency situations. I guess some people with like CPAP machines or something use these. I don't know. Anyway, this item should be extremely easy to find. Every single store I checked had it in stock, and they all had it at the same price. So if it's something you're interested in, easy to find. And because so many stores have it, I would kind of expect, at least for some stores, the price will go down from here. If you're not, having to rush out the door to get it, you might be able to wait a couple of weeks and save some extra money. Of course, at that point, you're risking that other people bought it. We got another Hart Tool 20-volt cordless 6-inch buffer. Started out at $35. It is now $11. I was only able to find a few stores that said they had this item in stock, but at least all of them had it listed for $11. So again, if you're already in the Hart Tool lineup, if you're going to be at a Walmart, I would definitely check to see if it's there, because $11, why the hell not? I don't know if it would get me into the lineup if I wasn't already. Stanley has a 500 lumen LED light bar for only $7.50. Looks like it even has a little USB port at the bottom, which is kind of interesting. Started out $30. You're over, you're like 70% off, 75% off at $7.50. Several stores have this item in stock, but again, the prices are all over the place for this one. The lowest I found was $7.50. The highest I saw was $16.50, which still almost half off. Not a bad deal. Here we have some computer speakers for $69. How the hell do you say that name? Clipstitch. Pro Media 2.1 THX computer speakers, originally $130, now down to $69. A lot of stores actually have this in stock. It seems to be a 50-50 split on the pricing. Some stores have it at $69, others have it at $89. If I can find it in stock, that's what I'm going to get. I need to upgrade my computer speakers. We have a platinum microfiber Chanel wash pad. It's only $1. $1 was $5. I was able to find a bunch of stores in my area that had this in stock. All of them had it for the same price. If you're there clearance shopping, grocery shopping, doing whatever, try and find it. It's only $1. And we are going to wrap it up with the Go Power Flashlight Car Jump Starter, $15. Originally was $44.79. How cool is that? Hopefully it actually works, but it's a flashlight on one end. The other end has the plug-in for jump starting your car. Perfect for emergencies to keep handy in the trunk or something. Many stores have this priced at $21, which is still a really good deal. It's half off, and it's cheaper than most of the jump starters that we see on Amazon that we post on the homepage of the website. But I did see some had it for as low as $15, so obviously that would be your goal. I would still think it's worth it at $21. But again, you can scan it with your Walmart app to find out. So everything is linked down below if you want to take a look at the post. If you need the barcode for whatever reason, there's also a link to the Walmart page. Each of these prices and the pictures are linked if you want to check it out on Walmart's website. And if you missed the last 2 Walmart videos we did where we had all that heart clearance, I'll throw end screens up on the screen right now for those 2. Be sure to check both of those out. I believe every price shown in those 2 videos is still valid. So, thanks for watching. Give the video a like. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.